We're out here another day, digging today, a little bit of everything. We've had to reroute some of our pipes because a couple years ago when we did it, I just kind of ran them in this corner and called it good. So this one right here used to come all the way over, and so I rerouted it to here, and this is be a wall going across here, so that was done. So I rerouted this one to, it'll come up and actually go to a floor drain. It's a drain for our bog filter, or our skimmer up there. And then underneath here, there's this 2-inch line down here. You can see it right here. And so all it does is come up and go straight back down to the bog. Or not to the bog, to the waterfall. And so from now on, there's no reason to have it above grade. So I'm going to dig it up and put this double 90 thing down underneath the grade, so it'll be down underneath the concrete because we don't need it above. So I got a couple more little things like that, and then over here where the orange hoe is, there was supposed to be a sleeve there. So now I got to bore through the concrete with the rotor hammer because that pipe goes through there. And there's one more over here, so I've got 2 of them that I got to go through the brand new concrete with. So new concrete should be softer, huh? Till you go drilling it. But these are just all the fittings, plumbing fittings. So underneath over here we ran our storm drain that's going to go over and feed our water system, and then we compacted on top of it. Oh, look at our 2 missies over there.
And there's our Tabby, snuck out of the house. Oh, and she's talking to the neighbor cat.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.